Your car is losing power and that check engine light is staring you down because of a fault in the cooling system for your turbo or supercharger. The diagnostic trouble code P023A indicates an open circuit in the charge air cooler coolant pump control circuit, which is basically a fancy way of saying your intercooler pump has lost its electrical connection. In high-performance engines, forced induction systems use an intercooler to chill the hot air being shoved into your cylinders, and while some use air, others use a dedicated liquid coolant loop managed by an electric pump. When the engine control module tries to activate this pump but detects no electrical flow, it triggers this code and might even pull back timing to protect the engine from overheating the intake air. You might notice your fuel mileage dropping or the engine feeling sluggish during hard acceleration because the air going in is too hot to burn efficiently. The most common causes are a simple unplugged connector, a blown fuse, or a wire that has rubbed through against the frame creating an open circuit, but sometimes the pump itself fails internally. To fix this, you should start by locating the intercooler pump, which is usually tucked away near the bottom of the radiator or behind the front bumper, and check the wiring harness for any signs of melting or corrosion. Use a digital volt-ohm meter to verify if the pump is getting the 12 volts it needs, and if the wiring checks out, you can test the pump by applying power directly from the battery to see if it spins. If the pump is dead, you will need to replace it and bleed the air out of the intercooler coolant lines to restore peak performance. You should head to a professional technician if you are not comfortable working with electrical testing, or if the issue seems to be hidden deep within the engine control module wiring, because driving with a non-functional intercooler pump can eventually lead to more expensive engine sensor failures.